Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a pop it with 20 to 30 bubbles so your drills have measurable length. Once chosen, decide why you're playing speed, memory, or sensory focus, because that shapes the rules you use. Next, set a timer for 30 to 60 seconds and place the poppet on a flat, quiet surface. Now begin. Press each bubble deliberately. Keep your fingers relaxed. This first round establishes rhythm and reveals your baseline speed and accuracy. Once you have a baseline, focus on controlled repetition to build skill. Use alternating fingers to improve dexterity and aim for a consistent tempo, because steady motion reduces mistakes. Then add patterns, rows, diagonals, or random 4-bubble sequences to train memory and coordination. Make each set 3 to 5 rounds, rest briefly, and repeat. Finally, record your times and errors so you can set incremental goals. This lets you see. To finish, cool down with slow, deliberate pops for 30 to 60 seconds so your fingers relax and your technique settles. Make sure to reflect on what worked, speed, accuracy, patterns, and adjust your next session accordingly. If you notice uneven wear or stuck bubbles, rotate your grip or switch to another poppet to extend lifespan. If bubbles stick, warm them gently with your hands rather than prying, because sharp tools can tear the silicone and ruin the toy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.